going to share two reports. First report is about Ethiopian government and Ethiopian army who are planning a new offensive to retake Tigray. Because Tigray Defense Force is advancing deeper in Amhara region. Ethiopia wants to pull out Tigray Defense Force from Amhara region. Viewers, we will discuss this report in detail. Second report is from Gondar front, where continuously firing is ongoing. Viewers, let's have a look who is firing. Viewers, now let's move to the first report. Viewers, if you are remembered, 2 weeks ago I have reported that Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed and President Isaias Afwerki are planning a new offensive to retake Tigray in coming weeks. Prime Minister of Ethiopia Abiy Ahmed and President of Eritrea Isaias Afwerki have planned to deploy heavy contingent of Eritrean Defense Force and Ethiopian National Defense Force in Tigray region to capture key towns and places of Tigray region. Viewers, in this regard, the Ethiopian high-rank military officer issued a statement who wants to take fight back in Mekelle. Ethiopian National Defense Force Lieutenant General Abiba Tadise issued a statement in which he said Tigray Defense Force want to destroy Ethiopia. He said, for the purpose of destroying Ethiopia, Tigray Defense Force organized a special force. Tigray Defense Force recruited more than 200,000 fighters to fight against Ethiopian National Defense Force and to destroy Ethiopia. Viewers, but both sides have recruited large number of fighters to fight against each other. You will be remembered early in the month of August, Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed called on all able-bodied Ethiopians to join the armed forces. He said, it is now time for all able-bodied Ethiopians to join the defense forces, special forces and militias and show their patriotism. After this announcement, thousands civilians and recruits joined forces to fight against Tigray Defense Forces. Viewers, following this statement, later at the end of August, Amhara regional government issued a statement regarding the students and teachers to join forces. In a statement, Amhara regional government had called middle school students, high school students, university students and teachers to join armed forces. It was stated that the Amhara region is fighting for its survival. TPLF have waged a war in a region. That's why everyone should join the armed forces. After this statement, hundreds of new recruits got training and joined the forces to fight against Tigray Defense Forces. No doubt, new recruits also joined Tigray Defense Forces and deployed to Amhara region. Pictures were also shared in this regard. Viewers, Ethiopian National Defense Force General further said, we should take this war to Mekelle. Your offensive in Mekelle is being planned to engage Tigray Defense Force in Amhara region. As you know, Tigray Defense Force is continuously advancing in Amhara region and fighting on many fronts. There is possibility that Ethiopian National Defense Force can redeploy its troops and Eritrean troops in Tigray region. Ethiopian National Defense Force want to pull out Tigray Defense Force from Amhara region. Yes, this could be an option if Ethiopian National Defense Force launched offensive in Tigray region, then it would be more disastrous than the previous one. Already thousands people have been killed and millions displaced due to Tigray war. Whereas lastly, the general said, we have destroyed Tigray People's Liberation Front. Yes, this is a false statement. Tigray Defense Force has taken control of many towns and villages in Amhara region. They had gotten Ethiopian National Defense Force and Eritrean troops out from Tigray region. No doubt, Tigray People's Liberation Front is facing financial losses but have not been destroyed. Viewers, now let's move to the second report, which is about Gondar front. There are reports that continuous firing sounds can be heard from Gondar or inside the city of Gondar. As Eritrean troops are present inside Gondar, they were deployed Gondar to fight against Tigray Defense Force and stop the advancing of Tigray Defense Force towards Gondar. But Tigray Defense Force followed their previous strategy. They moved towards other areas, towards B-22 highway. And Eritrean Defense Force also followed their previous strategy and started looting civilians and stealing the valuables of the residents of Gondar. Viewers, this is the cost of deploying Eritrean troops which Gondar residents are paying. On this, Amhara militias started fighting with Eritrean Defense Force. This fight started almost a week ago, which is still continue in intervals. Viewers, as per latest reports, Eritrean Defense Force is continuously firing inside Gondar, looting valuable things and shifting them to Asmara, the capital of Eritrea. As per reports, around 500 luxury cars and hundreds of valuable items have been shifted to Asmara so far. Viewers, these were two reports. For more latest reports, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.